Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In the previous videos, we talked about join column, what is inner join, what is full join, and how it differs from Cartesian as well as inner join. In this video, we will look at outer join, and when we talk about outer join, we can call it as left outer join or right outer join, or we can use just left outer join and we can exchange the joining table between the left and right. Say for example, here you are using the left outer join, so T1, T2, so you can use right outer join T1, T2, or you can use this same left outer join and you can exchange the tables T2, T1. So both will be same. Now let us look at outer join. Left join in the sense left outer join shows all data in the left table. When data is not matched in the right table, null substituted. So just like what we saw in full join, right? But here if you see, when you specify left join, data will retrieved from the left table. All the data or all the rows from the left table will be retrieved. Then it will be matched against the right table based on the join column. So if there are some data that doesn't get matched, then null will be substituted for the right side of the join, because here the table is left join, right? Left outer join. That means here we are forcing the SQL Server to bring all the table from the left table. If data match doesn't happen on the right table, substitute null for the relevant column in the right table. So that's what called left join. The same way, right join joins all data from right table. So if the match doesn't occur in the left table, then null will be substituted for the left table. See, for example, as already told, let's state that this is table 1, table 2, and let's state we are using the left join. That means bring all data from this table, and if some match doesn't occur, put null for the right side table, right? That's the left join. So if we use the same technique, first table, second table, this time let's state that you are using right outer join. That means bring all data from this right side table, then perform matching. If something comes here, if some column is mapped, bring that, and if some not mapped, bring null for the left. So you see the difference. So that's the left join and right join. So you can achieve this right join just by exchanging the tables. This is still left join 2, 1. Now this is equivalent to this one, right? Either you can put right join here or exchange the tables. The left join here works as this one. Alright, now we will go to the demo and see how it works. So first we will review data in table A and table B. If you see, 1 common between both the table, 2 exist on both table, 3 is the orphan row in the second table, table B, right? So now let's also look at data from table C. Okay. So table C, 4 is the orphaned one. One is common between all table, 2 exists between these two, 3 is orphan, 4 is orphan. All right. Here now we will perform the left join between table A and table C, table A 1 2, table C 1 4. So 1 exists. Since this is the left join and left side of the join is table A, it will bring data for table A, both these data, and it performs the mapping with the table C. Here is the table C, 1 exists here, 2 there is no mapping column, but since it's a left join, it will bring 2 tab and substitutes null for the joining table C. Now let's execute this, and if you see, this is data from table A. So first it brings all the row from table A, then performs mapping with table C. So table C contains record number, the ID 1 as well as ID 4. So here you see data for table C, and since it's a left outer join, we are forcing to get the data from table A, but there is no mapping row for table C. Null is substituted. So that's a left outer join. Left side of the join is table A. We are asking to bring all the data from table A. Now we will do the same stuff with right outer join. Previously it's a left join, right? This time it's a right outer join. Once again we will review the data. Table A 1 2, table C 1 4. Right, this time we are using right outer join, and right side of the join is table C. That means we want to bring all data from table C, and if there is no mapping, substitute null for the columns of table A. Alright, now we will execute it. If you see, 1 exists between both the table, and we want to bring all data from right side of the table because it's right join, and table name is table C, and you see all data from table C. 4, there is no mapping on table A, so null is substituted here. So some people won't use a right join at all. They will simply exchange the table names. Here if you see, we are using the left join. We want to bring all data from left side. So previously table C is here, right? We just kept table C on the left side of the join. Then this is a table A, right? Now if I execute, we will achieve the same result. You see here, null is substituted for table A column, ID A, data A. All right, that's all here in this video. When you are combining the left joining with the inner join, the order of the join is important. That means it's important which join you are performing first. So if you are bringing data from 3 table, and if you perform inner join first then outer join, that result will be definitely different from the join of outer join first then inner join. So you have to experiment when mixing inner and outer join. So join order is important, especially when you are using the outer join. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.